Hi, I'm Seth Benby from Kiwi Sales Inc. and this is a virtual inspection by video. We're going to start this machine up and run it, and then we're going to inspect major components. Starts right up and runs very well. Sometimes on cold days it's a little harder starting. It's got 1,438 hours on it. It's a 2002 model, New Holland, LS160 skidloader. It's got the auxiliary hydraulics. So now we're going to walk around this machine. The engine's in excellent shape. It's got a bucket. It's a regular bucket, no teeth. Cutting edge, it's still got about 50% on it. There's no cracks or welds on this bucket. The seat has a few tears, as you can see, but it's in pretty good shape. The auxiliary hydraulics for hooking attachments up. Tires are 60% to 70%. The paint's, I would say, 90% on this machine. It's got few little scratches and some touch-ups, but nothing major. The engine's in nice shape. You can see. We put a new exhaust manifold on it. Has the super boom. This is a really nice skid loader, and it's ready to go out. We've greased it all up, oils have been changed, and we've used it around here for a few months, and this is a very clean, nice skid loader. So feel free to give me a call. Thanks for your time.